this video, I want to teach you how to crochet a magic ring. In many cases, especially in crocheting dolls, we have to use a magic ring. So, let's get started. Hi, welcome to HannahCrochet. I'm so glad to be with you. In this channel, I want to teach you very attractive and beautiful tutorials. Please like this video before starting the tutorial and click the bell button to be informed about the release of my new videos. In this video, I want to teach you how to crochet a magic ring. In many cases, especially in crocheting dolls, we have to use a magic ring. So, let's get started. We're gonna start to crochet magic rings. To start, set aside about 20 centimeters of yarn, and this part of yarn called tail and this part of yarn called working yarn. Put the tail behind our hands and wrap the yarn twice around this finger, like this. Hold the tail and working yarn with these two fingers, like this. Now take the hook and insert your hook in this way. Wrap the yarn and one chain. We take the loops out of our fingers. Now we make single crochet in this loop to any number that pattern said. For example, I make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We pull the tail to close these loops. You can see is pulled in this direction, this loop. So we pull the yarn from the opposite side in this way. And one of the loops closed, you can see. Now we pull the tail Congratulations, it was completely closed. Now you can create a magic ring. Let's see slowly how to make a single crochet again. Thank you for your watching this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like it and tell me what tutorials you would like me to post on HannahCrochet. Have a nice day and night. Be healthy and be happy.